Honor to meet you. First time in our country. Thank you. Welcome.
Even the gold on the mosque.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
We have an additional 8 MOUs that are being worked on in different sectors. I am very keen on matters to do with health. As you're aware, Kenya has identified health as one of our priority areas. We're looking forward to working with you on blue economy. Mm-hmm. We have huge potential in the blue economy space that is untapped and that needs investment and cooperation, and I am very confident that Israel can share with us your experience and work with your technology and work with your expertise in that space. And of course, on matters to do with security, and we also want to see how we can bring the private sector into this space by allowing them to trade, to do business, to invest without unnecessary restrictions, specifically on the subject of avoidance of double taxation. I am looking forward to making sure that we have the necessary legislation that will support business.
We could do so much more in terms of business relations on all fields of agriculture, trade, science, and energy, and all other fields of joint cooperation. We are grateful to you for your friendship with us in the international forums, and we believe that the real story is to enhance the relations between our future generations and people to people on so many fronts. So thank you very much, and I hope you'll have a wonderful visit with us. We're your excellent team with your ministers who are here. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, I am looking forward to elevating these relations to a new level, that you and I can superintend over a new phase of greater and deeper understanding and cooperation between our two countries.